Want to supercharge your learning? Today we're exploring the KWL Chart, a simple but powerful tool that helps you learn more effectively. Let's dive in. KWL stands for three simple questions. What do I know? What do I want to know? And what did I learn? It's a three-column chart that guides you through the learning process from start to finish. Step 1. What I know. Before you start learning about a new topic, write down everything you already know. Don't worry if it's not much. Even one fact is a great starting point. Step 2. What I want to know. Next, write down your questions. What are you curious about? What do you want to discover? This step helps you set clear learning goals. Step 3. Learn. Now it's time to explore your topic. Read, watch videos, conduct experiments, or discuss with others. Step 4. What I learned. After learning, fill in the last column. Write down the answers to your questions and any new, interesting facts you discovered along the way. KWL charts work because they activate your prior knowledge, give you a purpose for learning, and help you reflect on what you've discovered. Plus, they make studying active instead of passive, and that's when real learning happens. Ready to try it yourself? Grab a piece of paper, draw 3 columns, and start with your next learning topic. Happy learning, and remember, curiosity is your superpower.